is was dit vandag 'n blou skipper en 'n geel skipper in die huis. Ons het vir Councillor Ronnie en ons het vir Councillor Sakkie. Hy wil nie as sy regte naam bekend word nie. Ons het vir Kokama, hoe twee councillor. Tana kom se Augustus. Sy gaan laat die councillors Councillor Ronnie van Kokama, hoe twee en Councillor Sakkie van Koga, hoe twee. They are joining the Patriotic Alliance. So Eastern Cape, Kokama and Koga, we are on the map. We have 2 new councillors joining and 2 new by-elections coming up. So it gives me great pleasure, joy and honor to welcome these councillors here today. Let's come on, councillor!
Come on now, Shalom Sikase.
Come on down!
Let's
Welcome them to the PA. En ek gaan hulle jakkie dan met die kansie, Councillor Ronnie kan beskiklik baie Jousma en baie praat. So I'm going to give him a minute to just say something. Councillor?
It's not that I want to say something. I think I've had enough for the organization that I used to be with. They've abused me instead of using me. And I am at home. I think that the people will appreciate my presence.
Okay, guys. So there's 2 councillors that have resigned in the Eastern Cape. One from the DA and one from the PA. And these councillors are joining the Patriotic Alliance, as you know. Now, with by-elections and local elections, what we vote for is an individual who belongs to a political party. So when you vote for a councillor, you are voting for the councillor and not actually the political party. That is why when the councillor resigns, the political party can't replace him with someone else. They need to have by-elections in that ward. So we're having those wards, those by-elections on the 26th of November. So it's quite interesting what is happening. The PA is stealing councillors literally from the ANC and the DA. Yeah, the ANC, the support that they have in Eastern Cape is mind-boggling. And the DA, we are always happy on this channel. We are always happy when the DA loses numbers. Always happy. That one we welcome it. And also the ANC actually, because the ANC, the Eastern Cape is one of the poorest provinces in South Africa, but the ANC has got a strong presence in that province. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys this news. The DA and the ANC are losing councillors.